If you think this is true, my dear child, then like this video and subscribe to the channel if you consider yourself to be a believer in God, and if you in Christianity, please help our community by making a great donation. From $50 to $100, thank you. May God bless you, my childlike amen. God is telling you that you have been doing the right thing today, praising me while you suffer, praying instead of worrying, and being kind to those who aren't kind to you. Get ready. Greater is on the way. I'm going to take advantage of this new opportunity. God is saying to you that today will bring about great blessings because you have believed for a long time, never gave up, and have remained faithful. Your dedication, passion, and patience are about to pay off in a major way, and everything is about to finally make sense. Trust me. God is saying that today will bring an end to the pain, heartache, questions, and sleepless nights. I love you, God is saying to you today. One day you will wake up and realize why you had to go through the pain. You will realize that God was always listening and you were always making a way. You will be filled with joy and a deep understanding of the battle. Just wait until you see the blessing behind this battle you will see soon. I will open the window of heaven and pour out everything you have been waiting and praying for. Blessings of love, good health, and prosperity are coming your way. God has a breakthrough for your circumstances. God has a miracle with your name on it. If you could only see what is happening behind the scenes, you would dance and shout and give God all the glory in advance that the Lord is supernaturally moving in your life. I love you. God is saying to you today, never forget that I am always with you through good days and bad days, on mountaintops and in valleys, in joy and in tears, in blessings and in trials. Whatever you are going through, I am right there beside you every day. Every night, every step of the way. I love you and I won't leave you. God is saying to you today, I know you have been struggling for a long time financially, spiritually, and emotionally. You have a good heart and people have abused you in many ways. The devil has tried to make you lose your mind many times. You have been betrayed in many ways, yet you stand in the midst of your storms. You are still here because I am with you. I will not allow any weapon that is formed against you to prosper. Fear not, I am going to turn things around and bless you in the presence of your enemies. Hold on to your faith. God is saying to you today, be strong and trust me. I've stayed with you through every storm in your life. I've given you all that you need. I have and always will protect you, your family, and loved ones. Things may be difficult for you now. Just trust in my timing. A change to your circumstances is coming. Trust in me and enjoy this new day. I love you. God is saying to you today, the next door opening up will put you in a position where you will never have to borrow, beg, or struggle for anything. You are on the verge of your breakthrough and your greatest comeback. Every voice that speaks against you and your destiny will be silenced. God is saying to you today, the enemy is fighting you so hard because you are on the verge of a breakthrough. Stand firm, trust my word, don't waver, don't get distracted. I have already worked things out for you. The devil is defeated no matter what it looks like. Be strong, speak my word over your life. Great things are coming your way, trust me. God is saying to you today, I saw you working hard, raising your children and making sacrifices. I saw you taking the treatment, keeping a good attitude, praising me when it wasn't improving. Don't worry, the answers are coming. God is telling you that today, this week, you will fly. I am going to provide fresh opportunities, blessings, connections, and ideas. I promise to make up for the years you have missed. Trust me, I love you. An incredible and inexplicable blessing is coming your way. God is saying to you today, don't give up, don't lose hope, you're so close to your breakthrough. I heard your prayer, and my angels have been sent to assist you. Healing and supernatural favors are coming your way. This is going to be a week of elevation and progress for you. Trust me, I love you. Your financial well-being is on the horizon. There will be new opportunities for you. Your season of lack has ended, your season of abundance and no overflow has begun. Be encouraged today. I love you. God is saying to you today, I am proud of the fact that you are still fighting, still praying, still searching the scriptures for answers, and still getting up every morning looking to spread light and love in this dark world. Continue to fight the good fight of faith. You are stronger than you think. I am going to open up the windows of heaven and pour out healing, wisdom, favor, and blessings over your life. I love you so much. God is saying to you today, I saw you working hard raising those children and making sacrifices. I saw you taking the treatment, keeping a good attitude, praising me when it wasn't improving. Don't worry, the answers are coming. I am going to restore the years that you've lost. An unbelievable and unexplainable blessing is coming your way. Don't give up. God is saying to you today, I have an amazing plan for your life, plans to prosper you, plans to heal you, plans to bring you out of that stressful situation. You are about to walk into everything you've been waiting and praying for. Your personal and professional dark days are coming to an end. Don't lose hope. Don't give up. My plans will be fulfilled. Trust me. Go. God is saying, my dear child, my love for you overflows and I cannot stay silent. My affection for you pours out naturally like a living river coursing through your being, bringing you their happiness you seek and need. My precious one, I observe you closely. Throughout each day I delight in seeing you run back and forth, chasing your dreams, striving for your life. It fills me with joy to witness that spark of faith shining in your eyes. When you encounter problems and unexpected challenges, you lean on your faith, no longer filling with anxiety. You carry on as if nothing happened. If your world begins to crumble, you use your faith as a shield. And that pleases me greatly. When your adversaries rise against you again, rely on your faith and stand with courage, for you are certain that no matter what happens, no one can stand against you, because I am with you. I cherish being part of your life, knowing you welcome me early on. Although your home may feel humble and small to you, I see the greatness of your faith and heart. One day I will open your eyes to the illumination of my presence in your home, revealing the thousands of angels surrounding you, showcasing all the blessings I can bestow upon you when you offer your willing part and respond with sincere love to the affection I give you. When you cling to me like a child, believing with innocence and sincerity. When I say I love you, believe me wholeheartedly without asking for proof. To feel secure in my love, you believe without seeing me. You feel my presence but do not demand proof. To trust me with all your soul and mind. Blessed are you because your eyes have not seen me, but with faith and sincerity you have believed. Blessed are you because I have found no pride in you. I admire your humble spirit, your fervent desire to love me and your family. You are greatly pleasing to me. You will be blessed in the good things you wish to do. Your future is secure in my hands. Continue to believe in my love and promises. Cling to your faith, for it is your defense and strength. Do not forget that I am always at your side, keeping an eye on you and directing your actions. This is a new dawn, and it is no accident that these words have reached you when you needed them. For days, you have sensed my desire to speak with you, and today your heart has opened to listen and renew our sacred covenant. Please know that our words have not gone unnoticed, and believe this truth so that anxiety does not take hold of you with the falsehood that your words are lost in the void. May trust and unwavering love fill your heart with joy and peace today. I have heard your prayer and felt the urgency to respond. I have listened to your pleas since the beginning of my years, and I will keep doing so even while you are experiencing anguish. Please do not upset me. I don't get upset when you get loud. I see your lowered head, your genuine dedication, and your profound humility. I am listening, and I always will. Please talk to me, I want to hear your voice. Your thoughts are reflected in your words, and the knowledge that you have space in your head for me is a sincere and kind compliment. Tell me about your requirements and your dreams. Your schemes. I can relate to your concerns and frustrations because I am your friend and I know how much you want quiet and serenity. Even though the winds of adversity have beaten you, unexpected trials, and the sting of cruelty and contempt have wounded your soul, you will find strength in my word. You will find calm amid hardships, and when you feel weak, you will be strong. When your burden feels too heavy, remember that I am always by your side. Do not allow doubt rob you of the blessings that lie ahead on your path. I bless you because I love you. 11:11 Everything that is meant for you will come to pass in a way that you could never have predicted or explained. Nothing can stop it from happening, so just maintain a mindset of gratitude and believe in what is coming to pass. You are divinely guided by the Holy Spirit, just like in this video. If you have faith in God, everything He has started in your life will be completed. The delay will be transformed into a miracle for you. God is going to inspire a new song in your heart. This is a season where God will amaze you with His goodness and favor. You will see your prayers answered. Hard situations will be made easier by God's hand. God is saying to you, I know you are secretly living in pain. You cry yourself to sleep every night, not wanting to bother anyone. You don't know what else to do. I care about you and I see everything. Rest assured, I have you in the palm of my hand. Tomorrow, you will wake up feeling rejuvenated and full of understanding and wisdom. To remember is to put something back together again. God is about to put back together the things that have been divided, separated, and spread out in your life. He has not forgotten you, and you do not forget Him in the middle of your storm. Jesus, in the comments section, if you need blessings. God is about to remember you. He's going to put you back together in front of the ones who tried to dismember you.